Hola chicos, buenos días. Hoy nosotros vamos a repasar el imperfecto del subjuntivo, polite requests y las cláusulas sí. So the imperfect subjunctive we reviewed yesterday. I taught you polite requests yesterday and C clauses for the second time. I gave you that lesson yesterday. So here are numbers 1 and 2. He wanted us to go to the beach, past tense. And number 2 is you doubted that the students knew the information, que supieran la información. It was important that Pablo came with his mom, que Pablo viniera con su mamá. Ellos creían que el concierto empezara a la una. It's not a stem changer because you're taking it from the preterite tense, not the present tense. So it's not yo minus o, opposite ending. It's ellos in the preterite tense. So empezaron, you take off the ron and add the ra. So el concierto empezará. Yo insistía, I insisted that the market sell fruit, que vendiera fruta. Ana y Marta tenían miedo. They were afraid that the kids wouldn't be able to follow the instructions. Que no pudieran seguir las instrucciones. And that one's irregular in the preterite tense. Your dad asked you to wash the car. He wanted you to. Que limpiaras in the two form to coche because he wanted you to do it. Okay. Next one, no es cierto, it's not true that the novios se casaron anoche, or not true, it's not certain, sorry, that the novios got married last night. We were happy that Maria didn't fail her test. Hooray, Maria. Usted dudaba. I took the no out of there because if it has the no dudaba, then it won't be subjunctive. So, usted dudaba que yo estuviera enfadado durante la fiesta. Okay, so then if you did have the no there, you could say, usted no dudaba, you didn't doubt que yo estaba enfadado durante la fiesta, and then it's not subjunctive, and you would just leave it in the imperfect tense, past tense. It's still the past tense, it's just not subjunctive because you don't have a trigger for it. Okay, so now these are some fill in the blanks. So you wanted to say, Anthony, could you wait a minute? So Antonio, ¿pudieras esperar un minutito? And then you want the camarero you want roast beef. So you say, camarero, yo quisiera la carne asada, por favor. I would like roast beef. Number 13, these are C clauses. So if we were hungry, or we would be hungry if we didn't eat lunch, okay? So remember when there's the C, you put the imperfect subjunctive here, and then the conditional right here. So it says, nosotros tendríamos hambre si no almorzáramos. And then down here, you wanted to say they would know if Pedro told the truth. So ellos sabrían si Pedro dijera la verdad. And dijeron is D-I-G or D-I-J-E-R-O-N, and there's no I in it. There's only one I in the front, so dijeron. Okay. Down here, you write yourself a polite request. I'm going to ask for some chocolate ice cream with Jimmy's, and it says, yo quisiera un helado de chocolate con chispas. And then write a C clause. Yo estaría muy contenta. Oh, I'm showing you here that you can write it either way. So it says, if I ate ice cream, I would be really happy. Or you could do, I would be really happy if I ate ice cream. So it can go either way. You can write the C clauses either way. You can say the C clauses either way. You just have to make sure that the imperfect subjunctive goes with the C. Okay. All right, and then to this part, he insisted that we come to the party. Insistió que viniéramos a la fiesta. It was strange that he wore a pink suit. Era raro que llevara ese traje, or that pink suit, ese traje rosado. She recommended they go to the amusement park. Ella recomendó que ellos fueran al parque de atracciones. I wasn't sure that they won the game. No estaba seguro de que ellos ganaran el partido. We were happy that they received the gift on time. Nosotros estábamos contentos que ellos, I don't know why it's not there, recibieran nosotros estamos que ellos recibieron el regalo a tiempo. Yeah. Okay. All right, I would like the tomato soup. Oh, yo quisiera la sopa de tomate. And then would you be able to drive? Podrías. Oh, we're going to use polite request. Hold on. Pudieras tú conducir? Pudieras tú conducir? Would you be able to? Would you be so kind as to drive? These are super, super nice ways to ask for things. Like the nicest you could be. And then the following C clauses. I don't know why I didn't do my homework. Sorry, kids. Here I come. This says, si yo estuviera en España, yo me divertiría a la playa. If I were in Spain, I would have fun on the beach. If it were open, but probably the beaches are closed. New Jersey, they're all closed now. So for spring break, you can't even go to the beach. Okay. If they had their uniforms, they would play the game. Si ellos tuvieron, tuvieron, it's not right, tuvieran, sorry. Si ellos tuvieran sus uniformes, ellos jugarían el partido. I hope these are right. We would do the homework if we understood it. Nosotros completaríamos la tarea si lo entendiéramos si la tarea, si la entendiéramos. I think that's right. Yeah. All right. Is that it? Yeah. All right, now go and listen to Beyonce sing to you, and then you can fill in the blanks on the close activity and watch the video. It's very dramatic. It's really good. And then see if you can figure out when is the switch. At one moment, she switches from using the imperfect subjunctive. The name of the song is Si Fuera un Chico, If I Were a Boy. It's really good. So she sings it in Spanish. She sings it in English too, but she sings it in Spanish in this version. And then see if you can figure out when she switches from the imperfect subjunctive, if I were a boy, to but you are a boy, and why that switch happens. It's very, very exciting. Okay, so have a good day and send me some messages or an email if you have any questions. Okay, ciao.